Hey guys, it's Andrew Keene from KeeneOnTheMarket.com. This is your S&P 500 daily recap for, we have to flip the calendar, Alex, April 2nd, 2012. Today is the first day of the quarter. We talked about it on Friday. 14 of the last 17 days after Q1 ends, it's been a rally. So we saw a nice little rally today. Not much going on overnight, but we did see a nice little rally. We talked about these market profile days. Here's market profile. Basically 3 inside days. We actually opened up within these market profile days, and then we ripboard to the new high of the year. I feel like I say that over and over. Let's go to the daily chart. That's the weekly, but let's go to the weekly chart first. So I guess we straight up to 1419.75, which actually is the high of the year, in a Globex session that was not during the normal hours. Today the high 1417.75. This 1400 level is talked about as key. 1408 was key, 1411, now 1420. Then we have our target at the end of the year of 1484. Let's look at the daily chart real quick, and we continue to grind higher. And it's interesting to me as I keep talking about these rallies, and then a 3-day pullback, and then just continue to rally. So this is now the, I would say, almost like 4th time. So we had a rally. We started in here in February, rally. Couple-day pullback, maybe a little bit of pause, rally. Couple-day pullback, keep rallying. Here we go, 3 days in a row, sell off, rally back. 3 days, sell off, rally back. 3 days, sell off, now we're rallying back. So on the daily chart, we're still staying within this bull channel. If you look at the top of the bull channel, it's going to be around 1430. So that'll be also a target to the upside. Let's look at the 5-minute chart and talk about how I don't want to talk about, but I messed up the trade through the breakout of the cloud. I tried to buy it and I didn't. So 80% of the time we get the high or the low within the first hour, and today we got the low. 13.99 was the low of the day. We got that within the first 10 minutes. So second bar of the day. We got into the cloud. We had a breakout above the cloud, and right here, this is the ISM number. So we had strong ISM. Construction spending was a little bit weak. On the close of this bar, actually on the close of this bar, I tried to buy 05 quarters, and I did not get them. So I was trying to buy the close of this bar. The second it closed, I tried to buy it. Would have had me in all day for 12 points to the upside. I would have had a stop at 1390, probably 1400. So I tried to buy this close. I got faded. It just immediately ran up, and I didn't get back in on the pullback. And I would have been all day, just off to the races all day. I thought they were going to have a little short squeeze at the end and run it through the high of the year of 1420. We actually pulled back a little bit, and I actually see the futures off a couple points here, right around this 1411 level. Key levels for tomorrow is 1415. Will probably be right around here. Will be a point of control. A lot of overlapping bars, neutral activity in this 1415, 1416. High of the day, 1417.75. And then what is resistance comes support. So 1408 is critical. 1411 is critical. And then obviously the all-important 1400. Let's just look at oil real quick. And I made an oil trade, and I made a little bit of money, but not as much as I should have. And we're going to pull that up on the 5-minute. Sorry, I have to do equals 1. So oil, similar thing. We got the low in the first hour, and then we had a breakout of the cloud. I got long right here at. Oh, I gotta make sure this is the right timetable. This is not the right timetable. So we had a breakout of the cloud, and I bought right there. I bought at 102. I actually bought 102.81. I got 102.41. This isn't right though. Okay, so let's go back to the 999. Sorry, because I know where I bought it, so I knew that that cloud wasn't right. So we had a breakout higher, took out the lows. Very critical day in oil today. Got back to this 105 level. I bought the close of this bar right here. So 103.41 I got in, and I took one off about 35 cents. And then as we went back, I didn't want to take a winner off the table, so I actually scratched the other one. And then it was rip roar back to the races, closing at this 105 level. Great day in oil, great day for the commodity stocks. Anything linked to China, the global growth story, or any of the commodity stocks really rallied hard today. Volatility on the calls got crushed today in a lot of these stocks. I should have left the red end as a trailing stop. I just don't want to give up any profit, so I did make a little bit in oil today. But the breakout of the cloud worked well again. We're going to bring up the euro as well. If I can figure out the symbol. So same thing with the euro today. This one didn't look as strong, but I could have bought the cloud breakout right here. I would have gotten in at 133.22. Got as high as 133.42. So that would have had me in for 10 bips to the upside. I did not break it by the breakout. I wasn't really paying attention to euro so much. I was trying to manage my equity options and my oil trades. So I could have brought the breakout here. Never saw it back go into the cloud. Would have had me in for 10 bips to the upside. Probably would have closed my position at the end of the day and rallied from there. This is Andrew Keene from KeeneOnTheMarket.com, and have a great night.